Hey fam, so I'm back with another wig show and tell, and this unit is provided by Alipearl. I'll have all their information linked in my description box, so be sure to check it out. This wig right here is a unit that surprised me, and look at their presentation. Packaging is definitely it. I love when the presentation is right, and look at the hairline. They did that. So this unit does come with your traditional cap construction, and it does have a sewed in elastic band. The hairline is pre-plucked. This is Alipearl's fluffy, bouncy, short, curly bob unit, and it's 250% density. It's a human hair lace frontal wig, and I have it in 16 inches. And if I had to describe this wig, I would call this the wash and go. If you're a natural hair person and you want a wig that mimics your hair when you do a wash and go, then this unit is definitely for you. The texture on this unit is in the 4A through C family. It's definitely on the kinkier side. I love it. This is one of my most complimented hairstyles, and it surprised me because it had to grow on me, but once it did, let me tell you, I instantly, well, not instantly, but I fell in love over, the course of a couple days of wearing this unit. The compliments, the stares are endless. This is one of my most complimented hairstyles for men and women. And I even had a young lady ask me if this was my natural hair, which I feel like that was kind of rude, because you don't ask no black woman if what is on her head is her hair, but I digress. That's how natural this unit looks. It's going to keep them wondering. It's definitely a low maintenance hairstyle, which I'm surprised. I literally could wake up and fluff my hair out and not even need to add any water or any product to it, and this hair looks good. Once you do your curly hair routine, you're pretty much set until it's time to wash it, or should I say co-wash it, because I feel like this is a wig where you don't have to shampoo it that often. You can get away with co-washing this wig once a week and you'll be fine. So it's a low maintenance unit. I love the cap construction on this wig and how they pre-plucked this wig because they didn't overdo it. So 2 thumbs up there as well. The shedding is very minimal. The tangling, I haven't gotten any yet, and I have wore this wig at least, I want to say like 7 times now. I have it on my head right now. That's how much I've been loving this wig. It's just one of those units that I feel like is a must-have if you love that natural wash and go look. I cannot stop stressing how much this wig looks like you did a wash and go on your natural hair. So if your texture is anywhere similar to this wig, and you can choose different lengths. You don't have to choose a short length. You can get a wig that mimics your natural hair. So this is how it looked on, this is the first day of me wearing it, and that's how it looked air dried. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks in a side part, which is how I've been gravitating towards it. I do feel like this is one of those units that have a longevity to it. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, I will leave all of Alipearl's information down below in my description box. Make sure you let them know your girl Oso sent you. And let me know how you feel about this wig down below. And until my next video, I'll see you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.